Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson V8. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you've noticed that your Dyson V8 barely lasts 10 minutes on a charge, you're not alone. This issue typically arises due to battery wear over time. If not addressed promptly, it can lead to a complete failure of your vacuum cleaner, leaving you with a device that's unable to perform its primary function. To tackle this issue, you'll need a replacement battery, a Phillips screwdriver, and a plastic opening tool to help you safely open the device without causing any damage. First, ensure your Dyson V8 is turned off and unplugged. Begin by locating the screws on the handle and the base of the vacuum. Using the Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove the screws, ensuring you keep them in a safe place. Once the screws are out, take your plastic opening tool and gently pry open the casing. Be cautious as you do this, as there are delicate components inside. Now, locate the battery. It's typically situated near the bottom of the vacuum. You'll see connectors and possibly some additional screws holding it in place. Carefully disconnect any cables connected to the battery, taking note of where they attach for reinstallation. Remove the screws securing the battery, applying gentle pressure as needed. Once the battery is loose, you can lift it out. Take your new replacement battery and position it where the old one was. Secure it with the screws you previously removed and reconnect the cables, ensuring they are firmly attached. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After you've reassembled the battery, carefully place the outer casing back on and secure it with the screws. Once everything is in place, give the device a quick test to ensure it's functioning as expected. To prevent this issue from recurring, regularly clean the vacuum's filters and avoid overcharging the battery. Additionally, ensure you store your Dyson in a cool, dry place to prolong battery life. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.